Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Patriot Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's in white and it looks awesome. You get that Jeep badging up front here with your lights right there, and they are very bright. You also have your fog lights hanging out just down there. And right over here we do have our General brand tires with our 17-inch black rims. You got your Patriot badging right there, and then we also do have our mirrors right there. Back here we do have the Altitude badging as well as the 4x4. Unlock it right there and you can open it up just like this. Lots of room back here, very spacious, and it is very soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got some extra storage on the side there and your spare tire just underneath there. As well, you can fold those seats forward if you did need. Okay, we have our key here and it's all unlocked, so let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have your handle right here, as well you do have a manual window there, handle here, and some storage down here, and it does look very nice in here as well. The two-tone cloth seats are very comfortable, and you do have the controls over them just there. And then up here we do have the controls of our lights, so we have our daytime running lights, our low beams, and our off, as well as we do have our turning signals and our high beams there. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature, and then right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have and what gear we're in, but we can switch there on to our trip A and B, as well as the temperature outside, and that is controlled from right here with the horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Windshield wipers are hanging out there, and then over here we do have our controls over our seek options, our Bluetooth in the center here, info for rewind, time, eject, and our CD player, volume up and down with the AM and FM, Sirius XM, and your disc control there, presets, your setup, music type and list, and then your selector right over there with your aux cord plug-in. And then we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, temperature and AC, and then your mode there. Down here we have our traction control here and hazard lights, a little bit of storage there, and you do have your gear shift right here. You have your cup holders there with your parking brake, and then your four-wheel control. You can also lift this guy up, and you got some storage under there, and it is a dual layer, so you got two. You also have two layers up here, so top and bottom with your owner's manual inside of it, and then up here you do have your lights. Let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, you got the manual windows, a handle here, and some storage down here. It looks very nice back here as well, very soft. The seats are the same material as the front. You got your cup holders there, and you can fold this guy down as well, giving you even more room. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Patriot Altitude. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.